causes hiccups. Once is funny, twice is hilarious, and anything more than that is usually just annoying. We have all had them. But do you actually know where they come from? They are hiccups, and they are the strange little sounds that can escape from your mouth without warning. Hiccups start much lower in your body, though in the diaphragm, the dome-shaped muscle between your lungs and stomach. Normally, the diaphragm pulls down when you inhale to let air into your lungs and then relaxes when you exhale, so air can flow back out of your lungs and exit your nose and mouth. But if something irritates your diaphragm, it can spasm, forcing you to suddenly suck air into your throat when it hits your voice box. That makes your vocal cords suddenly close, creating the distinct hic sound. Why do hiccups happen? Hiccups can happen for a lot of reasons. Some of them are physical and some emotional. That's because the actual irritation happens in the nerve connecting the brain to the diaphragm. Some common causes include eating too much or too quickly, feeling nervous or excited, drinking carbonated beverages or too much alcohol, stress, or a sudden temperature change. Long-term hiccups. Hiccups are usually temporary, but in rare cases, they can stick around for a while. It's usually because of damage or aggravation to the nerves connected to the diaphragm. Everything from a hair touching your eardrum to a sore throat can affect these nerves, and in more serious cases, a tumor, goiter, or a cyst in the neck can damage them. Hiccups that last a while can also be because of central nervous system disorders like encephalitis or meningitis, or metabolic disorders like diabetes or kidney failure. Drugs like steroids or some tranquilizers can trigger long-term hiccups too. And even certain procedures, especially ones that requires anesthesia, can give you hiccups. If you have been hiccuping for more than 2 days, or if are severe enough to interfere with eating, breathing, sleeping, or causing you distress, you should make an appointment with your doctor. Also, talk to your doctor immediately if you have any kind of stomach pain, fever, shortness of breath, vomiting, or cough up blood with your hiccups. How to make them stop? If you're hoping that hanging upside down or having a friend scare you will get your hiccups to stop, we hate to disappoint you. But there's no scientific proof that these remedies work. However, some experts think holding your breath or breathing into a paper bag might do a trick. Both techniques make carbon dioxide build up into your lungs, which might relax the diaphragm. If all else fails, and your hiccups continue for several days or more, your doctor may try different medications to see if they can put an end to those uncomfortable hiccups. Good luck! If you learned something new today, then give this video a like and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.